Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Couple months ago I made a video about drop-down terminal in Manjaro GNOME, but this package is not available anymore. I tried to install that. And you can see there is an error because GitHub file is not found, and I try to install another famous drop-down terminal, guake. You can see that this. And it installed. Okay, now guake terminal, and this is it. And you can set preferences like start guake a plugin, and you can see that. And keyboard shortcuts, toggle guake visibility. You can press F12 and it will show up. F12, and I use that. Okay, for example, another command, and it worked very well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.